How to allow WhatsApp access to your device. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to allow WhatsApp access to your device. So first of all, what you need to do is just simply open up your settings application. Then keep scrolling down until you find WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp. Now here, as you can see, you can control what WhatsApp can use on your iPhone. Now, if you want to allow WhatsApp to access your device, you just simply turn on the toggle switch. Further, you can also change this by simply turning on or turning off the toggle switch. So this is how you can allow WhatsApp access to your device. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.